Good boy. Anyway. Oh, wow. We might need to protect your ears. Ooh, you got me shaken. I'm actually really scared. You're scaring me. What if you actually scratch the tree? Ah, he's a cat now. Oh, hey, watch it. I don't want to break in that. Those are tree supports. Look at him. What am I supposed to do about this? What was that? Okay, come on. I'm looking. What? I think he's just barking at the berries. Look at him. He's clinging to the tree. What is going on? Maybe you are people on the inside. I don't want to raise you to hurt anything or anyone. But I guess you're on the bird. Oh, my jaw hurts. Growth, isn't it? Mom's helping Dad move a bed, so I'm stuck with him. I'm not mad, except for the paws. I mean, look at this. Should I be proud at this point? Look at him. What? What? You gotta be kidding me. Ew, I just killed something. Ew. I just smushed it. Are you hiding now? No, you're not. Hi! Yes, you are a good boy. Just don't. Oh, okay. Oh, whoa. Someone's getting a high jump. Okay, one second. Sit. Okay. I'm just trying to clean you off. We were supposed to take you a bath yesterday. Ugh. I guess we'll do it today. We have no choice. Well, are you done? Because I want to go inside. I want to go back to bed. We have proof you jump on trees. I want to show Grandma these. Pictures of you. Alright. We're gonna have to lower this volume down. This is crazy. I didn't know my dog was so crazy. Definitely. Wow. Okay, have you had enough? You've been doing this for 10 minutes. And yet this has only been gone for like 4.5 minutes. This is crazy. What? Oh, you're slobbering everywhere. Oh. We're gonna clean up the patio. What's covered is the grills. We're gonna have to take that pole somewhere. Yeah. Okay. What do you want? Are you tired? Yeah, I thought so. Come on, come here. Come here. Oh, yes, you are. Good. Hey, let me get your eye. Let me get your eye. He's not letting me get that stuff. Let me get your cookies. Come on. Ah. Oh, yeah, you're a good boy. Why do I actually do this? I love having Nick. He's the best addition to our family. There will not be a dog like him. Except for the fact that he eats too much. I mean, he's actually pretty muscular, in a way. Honestly, what I would recommend for a healthy dog is, eggs, carrots, cucumber, watermelon, corn especially. Never, ever let dogs eat nuts. That will kill them. Same with chocolate. That's pretty obvious. Why do you look so weird from a distance? Are you thirsty? Oh, wow. Yes, you are. You're a good boy. And also, there is never a thing called too much love when you have a dog. Except, when you, train them and give them too much love. I mean, it's not a bad thing. It's actually a really good thing. But I would just say, I mean, it's the positive thing about it would be, they have normal behaviors. I mean, this is a normal cocker behavior. He won't stop until he gets his target. See? He flips and does everything he can. You see, Cocker Spaniels don't really give up as easily. But if it comes to food narrowing down, then they give up. They'll eat food. Cocker Spaniels love food. Technically, this bird is food. Well, there is no food. There's nothing. And you see, I mean, he does a 360 in a way. I just want him to, take it easy sometimes. Kind of goes all out. He's very stubborn, I'll say that. But he'll do anything for food. It's you in the tree. Narrow it down, boy. Nikki! Nikki! Okay. Oh, wow. I am, super tired. Oh my gosh. This is like a 10-minute video at this point. He's been barking for almost, literally 20 minutes straight. It's so crazy. Censored. I know, boy. Good boy. Just don't, no. What, do you think we're gonna get another dog in the future? Maybe, maybe. I hope. Though I don't know what Nick's gonna think. More food for him. Oh, actually no, less food. Instead of having 2 eggs, Nick, you might just get 1. You poor thing. If we had another dog, you would only get 1 egg. Eggs are really healthy for dogs. They help the immune system a lot, and the heart. immune system and heart is for eggs. It really helps dogs. And my grandma fed her old dog, Sweet Pea, a bowl of Cheerios every day, and she ended up living for 23 years. It's nuts. But it's probably because she's a smaller breed. The smaller the breed, the longer they live. Nick's medium, so... Woo! He's not super big. I'm used to his size. I mean, I've seen bigger cockers, but he's a good size. He's a good dog, all in all. Well, come on. You got this. Are you tired? I actually always tired. I need some tea. That's what I need. But I feel so bad. I want to be helping Mom and Dad right now. Because Mom and Dad need help, especially Dad. If I'm going to earn money, I'm going to have to help. It's not just for the money. I want to help. Whoa. All right. All right. Can you jump, sir? Sir, can you, jump? Sir, jump. Why are you so speedy? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna end this video in a couple seconds. So, bye.